No money, no skills, no problem. This AI hustle can help beginners start from zero and create a real offer. Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you a simple AI hustle you can start even if you feel like you have no money and no skills. In this video, I'll show you what the hustle is, why it works, how to create samples, how to make a simple offer, and how to find people who may need help. Now, let me be real. This is not guaranteed money, and it is not a get-rich-quick trick. AI can help you move faster, but you still have to take action.
The hustle is simple. Use AI to create content ideas, captions, and short scripts for small businesses.
This is beginner-friendly because you do not need to build an app, buy inventory, run ads, or create a complicated website. Small businesses need attention online, but many business owners are too busy to think of captions, hooks, and video ideas every day.
The formula is, pick a business type, use AI to create samples, package the samples into a simple offer, then message businesses.
Step 1 is picking one niche. A niche just means one type of business you want to help. Good beginner niches are gyms, barbers, restaurants, salons, car detailers, real estate agents, coaches, and local service businesses. Do not try to help everybody at first. Picking one niche makes your offer sound clear and professional. Step 2 is creating samples. Samples show people what you can do before they pay you. For this example, let's use car detailers. They need before and after content, local customers, and simple posts that make people want to book. Use this prompt. Give me 20 content ideas, 20 captions, and 10 short video hooks for a car detailing business that wants more local customers. One sample idea could be, watch this dirty car turn brand new in 30 seconds. That is perfect for a transformation video. Another idea could be, 3 things ruining your car paint without you knowing. That hook gives people a reason to watch. A third idea could be, interior detail before and after. People love satisfying results, especially when the change is clear. Put your samples in a simple document. Include the hook, caption, video idea, and why it could help the business. Step 3 is making a simple offer. Do not say, I do AI stuff. That sounds confusing. A starter package could include 20 captions, 10 video hooks, 10 content ideas, and 5 call to action lines. Say this instead. I help car detailers create better social media content to attract more local customers. The package looks more valuable than random ideas. It shows the business exactly what they are getting. Step 4 is finding businesses. You can search Google Maps, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or local business pages. Look for businesses that post sometimes, but their captions are weak, their videos have no hooks, or their content is inconsistent. You can also look for businesses with no website. If they have no website and weak content, that could be a bigger opportunity. Send a message like, hey, I liked your car detailing work. I made 3 free content ideas you could use to attract more local customers. Want me to send them over? If they say yes, send the samples. Then say, if you want, I can create a full content pack for your business.
Yes, sending samples now. If you want, I can create a full content pack for your business.
When you are new, start small. Your first goal is experience, proof, confidence, and your first small win. Remember, you do not need money or advanced skills to start. You need one simple service, useful samples, and the courage to reach out.
So if you have no money and no skills, start with this AI hustle. Pick one niche, create samples, make a simple offer, and let this for you, but it can help you move faster than ever.
Thanks for watching Fast Money Marion. Remember, AI is only the tool. The money comes when you use that tool to solve real problems for real people.